Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your wingsuit. Change the camo of your wingsuit in a Battle Royale mode. So what you need to do is please go to your Loadout Battle Royale. Go to your Battle Royale page or BR matchmaking page. Tap the Loadout button at the bottom of your screen. This is your Loadout page. Tap the wingsuit option at the bottom. As you can see, this is the wingsuit that I'm use. So you can change the color, the character, also the design by collecting it in the game, in the events or the seasonal event, and also in battle pass tier level. So what you need to do is playing more and more and log in every day to claim this wingsuit. Just tap the equip if you want to change. So it will be my default wingsuit when I'm in the game of Battle Royale. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.